Hi friends! We're here at 5558 campsite or 5558 campsite here in Lake Lumot again in Cavinti, Laguna. So we were here 2 weeks ago and doon tayo nagstay sa Catmon campsite pero we decided to go back because
Epic fail.
epic
Ang fishing.
yung first time fishing experience was really an epic experience because not really because hindi ako nakakuha ng isda, but I did lose all the lures. I had 3, nawala lahat yon. I tried to use live in my defense, nawala yung mga yun kasi either sumabit, actually madalas sumabit, okay, sumasabit siya kasi I think yun yung reason kaya yung iba talaga nagbabangka papalayo dito sa parang pinaka shore. I don't know kung anong tawag dito pero nagbabangka sila para malayo nga sila sa kung ano-anong mga obstacles near kasi sumasabit. So yun yung reason. And then pero yung first is naputol talaga yung line kasi nga hindi ko na buhol ng tama. Dapat pala doble yon or hindi lang yata. We already pitched the tent. We came here 4 p.m. This is gonna be our huling hirit in January. Today's January 30 by the way. This will be most likely uploaded in February na. Malamang it's already January 30. But we arrived here at 4 p.m. kasi late na kami umalis talaga sa bahay. Then nag-lunch na lang kami sa labas. But we are immediately pitched the tent and then this time gumagamit tayo ng awning natin so in case umulan. So yan, and then we already set up our kitchen. Thanks madam for helping me set the camp. Hindi kami nag-aaway kapag nagsaset kami ng camp, so which is nababasa ko lagi sa mga group na common reason yan ng pag-aaway pero we never fought about. It's tiring but the experience and being able to do this is something that we really enjoy and grateful, no. So we never fight about that. Well, I was struggling pitching the tent and the awning. She was busy setting up the kitchen, the tables and the chairs. So it's just really, I think I'm grateful for that. Thank you. Millie will make tokot baboy for dinner. Then magsasayang ako mamaya. And then mamaya magbo-bonfire tayo. Meron silang binigay dito ng mga firewood. And sana makakagawa tayo ng fire. If hindi, sila ang gagawa ng apoy para sa atin. I hope hindi umulan though, para magawa natin. Kasi that's also something that we didn't do 2 weeks ago when we were here sa, at least dun sa Catmon. So, let's enjoy the rest of the night. Tara, camp! Parang puro butotoan. Okay, so we're checking the weather forecast tonight kasi lumamig na. So, currently, 22 degrees Celsius na dito. Sakto lang, malamig, masarap, chill, cozy feels. And the good thing is, cloudy lang. The entire night. Looks like hindi uulan tonight. Halo mo. Fireworks. Happy New Year. Alright friends, dinner is served. What baboy? Thanks, love. You're the best cook ever. Of course, white rice. Dinner's done. Let's make some fire. Ay. Nilagay tayo ng mga papel para mas madali siyang umapoy. Then we have some twigs. Add din natin dyan. Right. Okay. We made fire. Hi, babe.
Sleepy.
Do you still feel cold?
A little bit.
Ganun mo lang para ano. Paano? So, papainit tayo dito ng tubig. Then, we will try this tea from Twinings. Earl Grey tea. Kasi naubos na yung tea na iniinom ko last time. Nakuha ko lang yan dun eh. Yan yung natirang kahoy dun sa isang nag-ano. Feeling ko hindi nila talaga nasulot ng tuluyan yan. Yan yung ano eh, hindi siya talagang magandang firewood. We will burn some mallows.
Touch na yun.
Hindi ko tina-touch. Ay, ito na pala.
Wala. Oh, wala na. Ayan o. As in burnt. Dahan-dahan mo lang.
Umapoy.
Lagay sa eat this one. Oh.
Okay.
Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. How does it taste?
Tunog.
Burnt?
It's okay.
Mas better yung una muna, ano?
No, masarap. Masarap.
Hmm.
Sunugin mo pa.
Ako na si Sus.
Sino ka?
Sus.
Oh,
Lo, nasunog na naman, love.
sinasadya mo namang sunugin kasi. Tikman
Hindi
mo.
ba ito masarap?
Mainit ha, tikman mo. Hindi na yan sobrang init. Si Sus. Lamig na lamig siya eh.
Masang ano?
Tusok ka.
Cotton candy.
Oh, yeah. Oo nga no. Diba? Hindi ko alam. Good morning. It's almost 7 a.m. So, tatry muna natin yung purpose kung ba't tayo nandito. Then later, we'll have breakfast, which is bagel. Everything bagel with cream cheese. Pero for now, try nating mag-fish. And then, we have 2 new lures. Ay, sumabit na naman yung kamay ko. This one, and then this one. Dahil hindi naman tayo lalayo, maliit lang muna yung gagamitin natin kasi wala masyadong malaking isda dyan sa malapit. And then dati kasi, kinat ko siya hanggang dito sa dulo. So, feeling ko hindi dapat ganun.
Right by your side, your love is better than life. So give me a new heart, make me clean. You are the one that I will always need. Come light a fire, come be the flame.
Okay, so magpe-prepare tayo ng breakfast pero while doing that, at the same time, habang nag-init ng tubig, we'll start breaking camp paunti-unti. Tatanggalin muna natin yung outer sheet ng tent para madali na lang natin maliligpit mamaya lahat.
Oh God, I surrender it all.
So habang inaantay natin kumulo yung tubig,
Kumukulo na, babe.
ay, kumukulo na pala. Habang inaantay natin patayin, patayin ni Millie yung apoy kasi kumukulo na pala. Okay. So habang pinupour natin yung water dito sa kape natin, reviewin natin yung campsite. No, actually, kidding aside, very peaceful dito sa very peaceful naman dito sa 5558 campsite. Pero sobrang established niya. Meron na siyang mga camper van na hindi naman maandar yan, pero luxurious inside. May sariling bed and all, you know, pang camping, camper van
I
talaga.
think na the concept talaga ng campsite na to is for glamping ka lang. Not really yung mga camping na yung conventional like magpipitch ka ng tent.
Yes, oh. Sobrang
Although,
konti
allowed
ng
pa rin naman.
yes, sobrang konti ng space for pitch, tent pitching. Tapos meron silang ramen house dyan sa may baba. Ramen house is parang
Tent.
para siyang ramen house kasi yung tawag nila eh. Oh, ramen tent pala, yes.
For glamping nga siya.
For glamping naman
So,
yun.
overlooking siya ng lake.
And then sa taas merong mga room. So,
Actually, this is more like a resort. Ano? Kasi nga, meron din siyang pool. Yun nga, may mga
meron
room
din palang pool.
for family.
Hindi ko in-expect na merong pool. Tapos, siguro ang ano lang dito, ang downside lang dito is, at least for us isa lang kasi yung section, yung area for common bathroom. Tapos parang isa lang yung, hindi parang, isa lang talaga yung shower area, yung shower room. Kasi hindi gumagana yung shower. So yun lang yung I think na medyo bad side or yung medyo nagpa ano sa dito sa amin sa campsite. Ang pinaka-perfect kasi talaga, pinaka-maganda talaga dito kasi sa mga campsites around Lake Lumot is the fact that pwede kang mag-fish, pwede kang mag-kayak, pwede kang mag-boat and ikutin yung buong Lake Lumot. Because this is smaller than Cavinti Laguna, than Lake Caliraya, Cavinti Laguna. Part siya ng Cavinti Laguna, pero Lake Lumot is definitely smaller than Caliraya Lake. Isa pa pala sa, I think the best dito sa 5558 is free use of kayak. You can literally use their kayak for free. So here's our coffee. In case you're interested to know, yung coffee beans na ginagamit ko lagi is Sumatra. In case you're interested, no, this is from Starbucks. Ito so far yung pinaka-paborito kong coffee bean nila. Dark roast, tas may notes of herb. Masarap to. Kung mahilig ka sa dark coffee or black coffee lang, black coffee na walang sugar or milk or cream, perfect talaga yung Sumatra for me. Hindi ko kung paano ko ma-explain sa inyo kung gaano kalakas yung hangin, pero sobrang lakas ng hangin. Dinoble-doble ko yung tali ng awning before matulog. Kasi there's no way nagigising kami ng hating gabi parang magligpit ng nilipad na awning. We're toasting our everything bagel. Breakfast is served. Everything bagel, scrambled egg with chili peppers. Bose coffee for Millie, and then I have black coffee. Let's go. Thanks for preparing.
He moves like a magnet, wearing holes in the carpet, counting steps to the back porch, same song from the screen door. He was a score on a mountain, waiting for a sign of rain. Card horse with his head down, devoted to a way of being, but he broke wide open like a bird in spring, with a divine potion made of love and pain. He was really living, yeah man, all the way, with a deep emotion made of love and pain.
Pahinto kami, ang ganda ng view dito. Anyway, let's go.